Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to configure iPhone 15 Pro Max for a senior person. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then find accessibility. And right here, there's display and text size. Now we can activate or deactivate the bold text, which makes the font on every text slide thicker. Then there's a larger text. You can enable larger accessibility sizes and then adjust the text size with this slider on the bottom. We can make it much bigger. Then we have button shapes that we can enable or disable, which makes the buttons much more visible. And the next thing I would do is increase the contrast, which makes the phone and everything on the display much more readable under the sun. And here, let's disable all of this and let me see. Okay, that is all inside this thing. Then we have a zoom. You can activate it, and that way you'll be able to zoom in to the screen, or deactivate it by triple tapping. With the 3 fingers, sorry, I forgot. Okay, so double tap 3 fingers to zoom, drag 3 fingers to move around the screen, double tap 3 fingers and drag to change zoom. And that would be all of the settings I would recommend to change for a senior or elderly person that will be using this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.